Welcome back to Aside Hot. Ezugu Chukudi Nkubi and Ogadele Arumemi will be building consultant, expert for anything construction. They inside studio and we discuss the issue of falling house, falling hand. We get Nofisat. She they call us all the way from Abuja. Nofisat, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Nofisat, good morning.
Nofisat, you there? It be like say the network no green Nofisat. I beg our people when they for us. If you want call us to contribute for this particular discussion, okay. Reduce the volume of your television so that the full Nigeria go hear your contribution as you get to do it. How we fit get society when we say those who need house go get better house and no be say the house them go they fall anyhow. We get Oga Igo. Oga Igo they call us all the way from Abuja. Oga Igo, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Dr. Shukudi, I greet you. Good morning.
I greet you, Oga Igo.
Comrade Ukubi, I greet you. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
Yes, in the studio, I greet you. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
One of the major problems here has a fall. I go blame it to the government agency which say they for Lagos State because you get one point where Ukubi talk say if you tell them they build 2-story building, they go fit add to join. That's one of the cause. But for that cause, you go blame the government agency because for each casting what you go do for a building, there must be approved. There must be approval from the government agency. Are you getting me? So before they go approve the casting, they will come check the iron, how many they use, wires do they use, the board do they use, they use. They go see and say if they according to the what you plan inside your plan before they go approve. And if they approve, but some of them they go there for office, they not go decide, go check. They go approve, collect money, then they go forget say they're supposed to go decide. Then secondly, some of them say won't start the building. They go tell you say they want build plaza for the building. When it's okay, the plaza don't carry load, not carry all those things, so they go put inside the building. But after you just start, we go without approve. They go change that to hotel. If you change that to hotel, then you know see the population will go come when you go apply for that place. Go they higher than they will say if na plaza you open. Then thirdly, some of them when they build house, go see water, go buy your water they some fill land. You just hear say you go fight with water. Those are one of the major problems they cause. Make the federal government look into it and say may they play the right people and say we go fight against this so that this building when they collapse will stop in Nigeria. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for this your important contribution.
Yeah.
As you don't highlight these three major points where we say, as we continue our discussion, we go to chook eye inside the discussion. They go, Oga Bestman, they call us all the way from Warri, Delta State. Oga Bestman, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Yes, so good morning, my people for the studio. Now, good morning.
Good morning, Bestman.
We greet you, Oga Bestman.
Will they hear you continue?
Yes, so I won't contribute for the matter with the forecast. So because this house matter a very big matter because just as when I talk, most of the contractors where they carry do this house, they carry thief the material. Just as the brother talk there, daily talk. Most of them when they give them material to build house, there's okay build a 2-story building. The foundation, they will turn out to 1-story building foundation. At the end of the day, waiting you will see that collusion, and you see the house is going to collapse. And again, talk of the numbers of people where they stay house. Which any of the tenants don't know about this one. There are some houses where they build, say, okay, this is a particular
number of people
where will occupy this tenant. Some of them will put 100 people for a building, of which that building not supposed to take 50. So I think those are most of the problem where they make many houses collapse. So that one is my small contribution.
Thank you very much for this your important contribution. All of this still follow for the talk when they talk about regulation and ensuring say what we plan as from the beginning as so it be. Oga Bobby, they call us all the way from Amsterdam. Oga Bobby, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Oga Bobby.
The topic, if houses were the fall for Nigeria, they say, first of all, it do with where you go build the house, put. One, the place, the part of the house, where you build houses, they put. Nobody, they survey the place. That's one problem when they Nigeria majorly. People, they go build house for you, water. They go fill them. But one thing you got to understand is say where you feel you need to live on for a very long time, like for up to 5 to 6 years. Like Holland now water land, Holland now water. Like but they feel you understand me now? So they feel like my area, and they stay island for Amsterdam. So most houses, most of the new building when they build, you will say when they want build the place, water go there, they'll come fill am with sand. When they fill am, they go leave am rest. Go rest like about 4 to 5 years. When they don't rest, then before they go come construct the construction put, they go knock pillar into ground. You understand me now? Very long pillar, they go knock into ground. Now they go hold the foundation. You understand me now? That's why I want to say Nigeria with the lack of. Then people that they take planning. You know, the technical way to build houses now old-fashioned ways. They can do with people want to steal your materials when you build the houses. Not another problem. But the thing to say the technical way to build house now old system. People need to go learn more how to build houses because modern houses now they people they build. Nigerians are still the same old pattern and we see they build. That's one of the major problems. We need to survey all those things then. How to go into more modern techniques.
Very true. Thank you very much for this your important contribution. All the way from Amsterdam, your passion for issues when they affect us for Obodo, Nigeria. Now, one way we say we salute where and we also commend. We don't hear from Igo from Abuja, Best Man from Warri, and Oga Bobby from Amsterdam. And they don't identify one particular problem. And that problem get to do with the fact, say, most times we just feel, say, house na house. Any location, na any location. Where we go get them, now where we go get them. Once we set target for ourselves, believe me, say, by December 2016, I want to give testimony for choice I don't build my house. Whether I suppose live on for some time, I no care. How we go take we correct the mindset? Say, make we know, say, to get house, no be just say, where you go, just they stay. But where you go stay, it go dey very, very safe for you. And you self go fit beat your chest, say, where are they live? Now, woman being supposed they live there.
Okay, waiting the man from Amsterdam talk.
Yeah, Bobby.
Bobby. When you do sound feeling, when you sound feel a place, because most of these Lagos areas now swamp. It's either swamp or you are reclaiming. Now, when you do that one, you go give them 5 years like you talk, 4 to 5 years, make the place settle. It's called settlement. Yeah. So it go settle. You will come look am again. If you feel, say, that place, the height, because when you want build house, you go make sure say the height. If road never pass there, you go make sure say it tall very well, so that in case the road go come pass, your house go still there above the road, but not at the same level or below the road. Because if erosion come, you go get problem.
Very true.
So once that one,
but Ogadele, I beg, you go need to continue on this. We'll get under caller where they call us right now.
No problem.
We got Daniel. Daniel, they call us from Warri. Good morning, Daniel.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Nkubi and Mr. Shooks.
We greet you, Oga Daniel.
Engineer in the house, I greet you.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. People, they talk, say, you go buy water, fill them. It doesn't really matter where you build your house. As a matter of fact, it gets foundation which suits any area for this life. You understand? Whether not water or whether not P2, even you can build a house even in the sea, depending on the depth of your pile. You understand? So I go blame, for me, I not go blame just the regulatory body. Government don't need to tell me, go put your hand for transformer.
Particular place, you know they save.
The truth is, engineer will be say, they give you design, because before you start your building, you go do soil test, you go know the kind of foundation. Okay, you don't do the design finish. Get the column sizes and everything, the foundation types. You don't need to compromise in any sense, because in reality, we are talking about your certificate. Yes. They go if your house fall like this, they go see your certificate.
True.
So in reality,
very true.
Whether the government body regulates you or not, you supposed to know what you're supposed to do.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, Daniel, thank you very much for this your important contribution. We go cut you short because we get person when we say non-day for line since they wait. We get Okon. Okon, they call us all the way from Lekki. Oga Okon, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, my brother.
Good morning, Okon.
Morning.
See, we hear you. We hear you.
As we are Nigerian, we lack knowledge.
Continue.
Okay, for instance now, somebody want to build a house. Okay, he knows say that house, the block that they want to use for that foundation, it needs to be strong. Understand?
Oga Okon, abeg, reduce the volume of your television so that we go fit hear you well.
All right.
Okay,
all right.
Continue.
Is that okay like that?
Okay,
yes,
continue.
Okay, you know that this block need to be strong. Understand? Even let me do a sample. When I was a little child, a little boy, my father used to build a house. I mean, from Calabar. The kind of block that my father used to use for house.
Oga Okon, you did here?
It will be a complete block. That before you lift it from ground, you know that you have to chop and belly food. You get my point? But now you will see a block. They will use a sand, pass the cement. Cement will not even get inside the block. Tell me how that kind of building will be strong. Understand? Okay, people that are building upstairs, there is a kind of iron that is supposed to be used to build the house. Understand? Instead of them to use the normal rod, understand, the steel rod, they will use the little one that they're supposed to use either for culvert to stand a pillar. Tell me how the building will not collapse and kill people. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Plenty questions now you they asked as it get to do with this particular issue. And like our Ogbonge visitor don already talk, say sometimes based on say so many action film they happen when it comes to construction. Even if you carry and go inside warehouse, carry padlock when big pass my head, use and lock the door. Say some kind of things go still happen and it go be like say monkey and they enter inside the arrangement. But before we come, they take those calls. You get one question when we say you be supposed answer. And we could just allow you answer that question before we move on. We wait till they discuss.
Like I was waiting at the talk before, say, if they take time, make that place, make it sink well, make it this solid. And now, I glad say somebody talk about soil test. You go do the soil test. Some people will just come. I won't talk on this one very well, but foundation I get building. So you go do the soil test. So when you do the soil test, not be say you go just come do, okay, then say it go require pile. Most of the thing why they see for Lagos, they say pile. They'll go bring that drilling machine, they take the drill for to do tap. And all those, they'll just drill, start to pour cement inside the hole. They what we call silting. Sometimes people just dig, you know, go reach where it's supposed to reach. They will come bring them up, say they don't do pile for that kind of a place. That one an accident waiting to happen. It must surely happen. So what you want to do be say, you get another one, we say you will consider you want to do raft or half raft, quarter raft, all those things. Now the soil test, now you go make you do all those things. But all these things, people know they do them because it they cost money.
Okay, if people know they do it because of say they cost money, or rather people know they even say then they won't wait for a particular period of time for a particular foundation to be strong. Okay, Shay, you notice say we're supposed to get some certain policies where they guide us to ensure say at least okay, we'll see the duration of this thing, ensure say this thing at this period is day, and anybody who violate them, see the punishment. How you go take related? Because if we get policies on ground and somehow the policies don't reflect for waiting will they carry out, which way forward? How we go take
but before you answer that question, we get Friday. Friday they wait until the telephone. They call us all the way from Plateau. Friday, good morning and welcome to AC the Hot.
Yeah, good morning, Oga Tinedu.
With the greet to Oga Friday.
Good morning, Friday.
Yeah, my own contribution. Yeah, about the building, all the building where they collapse for Lagos State. Are you hearing me?
Would they hear? Continue, Friday.
Yeah, but that thing where they happen like that, I know like the one where happen for Lekki, they lost 34 people in death of Lekki building collapse. More Lagos State government may do something about that thing. It's no good. Okay. Any engineer when person carry make it build house for them, make they find better engineer. I know that people that are losing their life. I know good.
Friday, thank you very much for that contribution. Now the passion where you get, at least for safety, now make you they contribute to this, and we appreciate them. Okay, so back to the question I asked. So say if we get policies and the policies know they reflect for what we they do, how it is we go achieve required results?
One thing we say. everything where you want to do. If you look at building in Lagos, everything where you want to do, from if you want reclaim land, for instance, now, you won't do all those things. Maybe reclaim land from water and everything. Now, the same government, now he go give you permit.
Okay.
They will give you permit to do the dredging and everything, so that it says. So from that aspect, from that they are able to, they go make sure say for 5 years that place they okay. Now, if you violate them, there must be some law. They want to call and checks and balances.
Let me say these laws no dey in ground.
You see, the problem is that executing the law.
Okay, execution of the law.
That is our problem. Make you see say the law make it work for a particular something. That is the problem because some people just believe say they fit do anything and nothing will happen to them.
Very true.
Nothing will happen to them. But this time around now, look at the recent My 12 one and everything. Look at the lives, the Lekki one. Look at the lives that were lost. Okay, look at synagogue. That one, he even give us international.
South Africa begin the
quarrel us. All those kind of things. So one contributor talk about the engineer factor. Yes, you see, in Nigeria we get professional bodies. These professional bodies, as far as I'm concerned, they need to be reorganized.
Okay.
In some countries, then they get zonal offices when they go put their names, their numbers, and their addresses. So if you want to build from there, they go direct you to that zone because they don't get all information about the land in that area.
Very true.
So when you don't get the information, when you reach there, the information where you go take do, you don't get there already. Then go certify the building themselves. So if by chance they go make mistakes, they do not satisfy the building collapse, then go hold them responsible. So you make them to take charge. You work with them. I give you an example. There was one building we were trying to manage. I went there. When we were doing everything, I met one man. The man was trying to, he wanted to do things somehow. Nothing as why you do like this. He said he don't work for Julius Berger for 16 years. He don't supervise engineer. Because of that, he be engineer. Such a person, which how you go tackle her. So all these things they. So to me, the government still has to come and make sure. Okay, you want to take people to site from office. They will tell you say they not get motor. When motor they no fuel money. You know all these things how they work now. So person will also work they doing thing, and when he don't do anything finish, now can't say he don't exceed, he don't do this.
Very true. Ogadele, this discussion don't reach the level when we say we could just use our full mouth now, can't focus on one particular incident, can't check how we go take fit, make sure say the thing no happen again. But quickly we go rush, go inside small break. When we go this break, come back now the final phase on top of Aside Hot. Now we go there so and we go there, make a talk and we go there discuss the Lekki Garden issue. No go anywhere. Now Wazobia Max, now Wazobia TV, and this now Aside Hot. Will they come back? Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of Wazobia Max UHF 57 and channel 98 on top of Go TV cable Wazobia TV. We dey talk and say make you spread the word. Tell your loved ones, make them they watch the #1 program anywhere for inside Obodo the World Television. Sake of say all the issues when they affect us as a people, now we dey carry come. Give you license to chook mouth inside. Talk am, give advice based on say you sef na part of government so that those when they lead us go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. Ezugu Chukwu the Nkubi and our Ogbonge visitor, building consultant, Ogadele dey inside studio, and we dey discuss falling house, falling hand inside Obodo, Nigeria. Ogadele, make we go straight to this issue when we say we talk, say okay, make we narrow am down. All of us know say one incident happened for Lekki area for Lagos State here, Lekki Gardens, and plenty people don't come and talk say person when we say if we check in track record. Like you talk, over 6,000 housing units now we don't spread, no be just for Lagos, for Abuja, for Port Harcourt, and nobody don't ever complain once say it be like say somebody they pound for upstairs, then they hear am for downstairs. This particular incident can't happen. It can't be like say we know they think of everything when not happen before. I just want to make you just give breakdown of this particular issue, make we know where the story they come from.
Well, for me.
But I beg, just before you enter into this issue, may we collect this call from Victor. Victor, they call us from Ikoyi. Good morning, Victor.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Will they hear you right on?
I want to contribute for the discussion of the topic today.
Okay.
For the house collapsing, killing innocent people.
Will they hear you?
You know, in Lagos State, we have people who survey land. and who authorize people to build houses. I don't know whether they are no more existing again. Some house they will build, before you know, 2 to 3 days, the house will collapse and kill so many innocent children, innocent souls. They are looking for their daily bread. I think Lagos State should look into that situation very well. And let them know where to build those houses. Not that they will not build houses and in the next 2 days, the house will fall down and collapse and kill so many people. Look at the one that happened in Lekki. So many innocent people died. Please, Lagos State government should do something about it. It's so boring and it's so painful.
Okay. Okay, Victor, thank you very much for that contribution. And you'd also drop your own quota inside this particular matter where virtually all our callers they also address. So back to you, Ogadele. So you be the address that particular question which you could ask.
Now, if you look at it very well, first and foremost, let me say, I won't sympathize with people, relations where lose their lives.
True.
Life, they irreplaceable. And those people, whether they go there, go walk or not, they were also, then they run, maybe they see, put food on the table and everything. So I want to say, may God make He help us console their families. That is number one. Then number two, I believe say no person go to spend money as this Lekki Garden people. Because if you open papers, you go see Lekki Garden, Lekki Garden. They don't become like the #1 real estate developer for Nigeria. So, you know, go out of your way, make you go kill people. Or make you do something where you go stain in name. Now, make we understand something, say, every profession get its own hazard. Or you they call an hazard. They get waiting,
they get danger.
They get danger. For example, now, you know, go say, because bus get accident for road, people die, you don't go enter bus again, or you don't go enter motor again.
Okay.
Even America, na one country where I respect them anytime, any day, because when it comes to standard, they always keep to standard. Now, I think about 3 years ago, a crane that they use in construction fell and killed people.
True.
Not quite some few months back, in I think is it Dubai or somewhere?
Saudi Arabia.
Crane also fell and killed people.
True.
We not go say because of that, they not do construction again. So as far as I am concerned, maybe we look at this thing, say, now one of those things, you know, where it does happen like that. Now, how going forward, how we will avoid these things? Okay. You see, something we say, you go look, say, the person, like Lekki, for instance, and Lekki Gardens, now then they build house. Not only then they involved in the house building. From now on, all the building agents we're supposed to they involve. Government go call them together, make them they alive to their responsibilities. From the physical planning and design, people will approve your building, to the survey, to people will go do the dredging and everything. They need to sit down, especially when it's an estate of this kind of nature, obviously they will go and sell later. And they know they reclaim land. Then go sit down, do their homework very well. As my brother talk and say, na Ghanaian will say homework. They go do their homework very well, so that everybody go get in own. Then, the laws will go guide them, be say, any person will fail. For example, now, if you say, okay, engineering, you give it to the engineering people, and maybe that person use his own stamp. Like, for example, now, for chartered accountants, once any say financial statement where you stamp where problem day, now they will come call. So they will come call that kind of person, say, come, where you get your own engineering certificate
from, yeah.
So they will come the probe, say, this is an engineering problem. So to me, as far as I'm concerned, now many hands now they involve. House, if it belong to one person, but now many hands now build and many different people.
Okay, fine. You don't address this particular matter. Yeah. And may we also talk this one. On the second thought, may we also bring up from this angle quickly. We get people who will say, out of their own free will, they will say, make I bring in people build house. You understand? Without carrying out due consultation. Waiting with that same way, you fit tell them, say, look, those stages that they're going to need to carry out. So make them they hear now. So at least, once they won't make any move, say they won't build out, no matter how much they get, but maybe at least consult the appropriate people they go consult before embarking on any project that they build out.
Very true.
I won't beg Nigerians, if you won't build house for where they reclaim land, or where the Sanfi land, or where the land, the Poto food, swamp, all those areas, make them do soil test.
True.
Soil test, okay.
Make them do soil test. Look, nowadays in Nigeria, we should be trying to, make we do things the way we're supposed to do things the very first time. Make tragedy not happen before they say, okay, go and do it this way.
True.
So make them do the soil test. When they do the soil test, from the soil, the person will do the soil test too, now structural engineer. Now that person, now you go tell them, say, for this, this is what you will need. You will need raft. You will need half raft. You will need pile. But your pile must go up to about 27 meters down to the earth. Or they will just tell you, say, oh boy, this land where you get to, your foundation fee reach 9 million. Please, kuku sell land to somebody who fit do, collect your money, go another place, go buy land and start building. So, advice, when you give such an advice, you stamp it. But if the man won't continue, you go tell him, say, make he give you letter, exonerating you from anything that will happen. That means you make it remove you from anything will go happen. Now so then they do them abroad. So now so people supposed to conduct business for here. So that is it.
Ogadele, as you explain all this thing when they look, you even though I know be engineering student, for my eye, somehow you can't resemble our minister for works. You could be not understand.
Minister for works.
Because the way you explain
for works, every house. Because I mean,
for Nigeria, many of us still say to build house now to just dig hole for ground, put blocks, do am. Can't they think of where we'll go give testimony? But the way you don't talk, even talk say 27 meters, it says on foundation even they cost 9 million.
Of course, yes. Yes.
Chukwudi.
No,
well, I'm a landlord eventually in my father's house. My father has many mansions.
I know how many meters your papa house? How many
you don't know the father's house when they talk of.
Which father's house?
I'm hair of the father, joint hands with the son. Our people went there for us. I don't hear all the discussion when we get to talk about building for inside Obodo, Nigeria. Our Ogbonge visitor been give one shocking statistics. He talk say between 2007 and 2012, say now 301 houses, according to the record, now in collapse inside this Obodo, Lagos alone. If we can't go around Nigeria check, now if we say anything, go very, very shocking and alarming. If all of us they talk say shelter, now basic necessity of life. All of us suppose they sleep for somewhere where we say if we wake up, we go look around and say yes, this place na very good house. Then it go good, make we do everything well. Not be every time we go to pray, say we cover our house with the blood of Jesus. We know say some of us be Christians, some of us be Muslims, depending on the religion when you do. But it go dey very, very important to use that sense when God don't give us. Consult the people wey sabi, do wetin dey very, very right, so that we no get disaster or tragedy at the end of the day. And for the case when involve Lekki Gardens and other houses when we say don't fall for inside Nigeria, like our Ogbonge visitor talk, and those when we say they lose their loved ones and their family members, now God go give them the fortitude to bear the loss. And it go dey very, very important make government do the right thing to use ensure say people then get compensation. And those when we say don't go out of their way to use ensure say people get affordable house for this country, make it not be like say that they use them as scapegoats.
And apart from that, we can also put this on, because if we talk all these things, we know also talk this and say at least if una will get law, make we ensure say the law they work. Not before us just carry law put, make we allow things they spoil the way they spoil. So till tomorrow when we will come again with another Ogbonge issue, another Ogbonge matter from me Webin Kubi. Una bye bye.
Why you say bye before shake our Ogbonge visitor?
And now we go see shake now.
Why bye bye before you shake her?
You could tell them bye bye.
Make us thank you very much for coming. Don't waste the bye bye now. You can't shake now. Before shake her before bye bye now. What
Now, no, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.